This tutorial is designed to show you how to set up Club Treasurer. This is the ledger when it is opened up for the first time. First of all, let us expand the ledger so you can see all the different accounts. Many of these accounts are hardwired to help put an semblance of order to the way the product works. You will notice the blue arrows against the different accounts. This is where you will add your bank, the various income and expense accounts particular to your club. But first of all, I will add my bank ledger. We will need to link this a little later when we enter the bank information. The Save button only saves the information to memory, but the Save Ledger button saves all the information to your hard drive. And if you tick Save User Profile, the ledger will open up displaying the ledgers as they are now. It is time to connect the actual bank to the ledger. But first of all, we need to insert a bank account. And make sure that the account is active. Now link to my bank ledger account that we entered a few minutes ago. And now the bank is connected to the ledger. Let us go back and look at the ledger. You can see that I have added a few more accounts into the ledger. You'll have your own idea of which accounts you will need to add, but you can use your existing accounts as a basis. Entities, you say? Yes, entities are members and external organisations to your club. Club International, to whom you pay your semi-annual fees, is an external entity and is not a member of your club. I will now enter a new member. I want you to remember the membership and transaction tabs. Now we will look at externals. We don't need to add an external at this time, but I would like you to notice that there is a transaction tab but no membership tab. That's okay because an external is not a member of your club, are they? There is also an entities report. Now we will open up the Club Treasurer setup window. First of all, we will add the joining and renewal fees. Please notice use of passwords. We'll come back to that later. You can set up your email from here. If you are unsure of what to do, then either speak to your internet provider or your network supervisor. Colours can be changed. This can get quite gaudy if you're not careful with the colours. I'm going to put it back the way it was. I would like you to pay attention to the business period. We are currently in the last month of the financial year, June 2017. It is time to enter in our startup amounts. For the purpose of this exercise, your club has $1,000 in the bank and $20 in petty cash. That is at the 30th of June 2017. We are starting the 2017-18 year afresh with these assets. The bank and petty cash are negative amounts to balance the positive startup balance account. You have now successfully entered your startup figures for your club.